the saints each other in humility embrace. They will release each other in gifts of grace. The fear of God they have for God's healing rays. Not homogeneous as one, but in unity God's way.
Then in oneness the body will brightly blaze. All evil powers will forever die in hell ablaze.
We forever in pleasures unique before God's face. We for God's pleasure forever created.